Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to do Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies. Basically, this is the third chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, we are given with project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to go through this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Please read this project description, understand the assignment well, then you will feel easy to solve this assignment. Okay, now let's move to main part of the assignment, that is steps to perform to complete this project. And we have a total of 22 steps to get this assignment done. So in this video, I am not only going to solve the question or steps for you, I am also going to make you learn the Excel as well. So I suggest you to watch this complete video and follow me step by step, then you will be able to solve this assignment and you will be able to learn the Excel as well. So now let's move to step number 1 of the assignment. And step number 1 or question number 1 of the assignment is saying, start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So I have already downloaded this Excel workbook. This is the Excel workbook that we're going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So your first task in this assignment is to download and open this Excel workbook. So step number 1 of the assignment is about downloading of this Excel workbook. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. So that's why we will move to step number 2. Okay? So let's move to step number 2. And step number 2 of the assignment is saying you want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to monthly movie downloads. Select the ranges A5 up to A10 and F5 up to F10. Create a pie chart and move it to a chart sheet named April pie chart. So in step number 2 of the assignment, we are supposed to create a pie chart so that we can see that how much each category contributes to movie downloads. Okay, so for this purpose we are given 2 ranges, A5 up to A10 and F5 up to F10. So we will first select A5 up to A10, that are the categories for the movies. Okay, then F5 up to F10. So we will press and hold the control button, press and hold the control button, then select the other range F5 up to F10. Okay, now click insert tab and go to pie chart and select pie chart. So we have inserted a pie chart. Okay, then it is saying move the pie chart to its own sheet name, that is April pie chart. So we will select the chart, then go to chart design and click move chart. So click new sheet, and here we are supposed to give the name to the sheet, that is April pie chart. So we will type April pie chart. Okay, so we have moved the chart to its own sheet, that is the April pie chart, and that is all about step number 2, where we were supposed to create a pie chart. Okay, now we're going to move to next step of the assignment, that is step number 3. Step number 3 of the assignment is saying the chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. Chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. Type April 2024 downloads by genre as the chart title. Apply bold 18-point font size and black text 1 font color. So now we are supposed to do some modification into the pie chart that we have just created. First, we are supposed to give a title to this pie chart, and title is given, that is April 2024 downloads by Jenner. That is the title for the chart. Instead of typing this title into the workbook or into the worksheet, I will just simply copy this title from here. So copy this, go to workbook, select the chart title, just select, okay, just select, okay. Then click in the formula bar. After clicking in the formula bar, paste the chart title and press enter. So now you can see that we have given a chart title to this chart, okay. Then we are supposed to apply bold 18-point font size and black text 1 font color to this chart title. So select this chart title, go to home tab and apply bold formatting. Then we are supposed to change font size from here to 18 points, okay. Then we are supposed to change the font color to black text 1. So go to font color and apply black text 1. So we have given a chart title, then we have applied the bold formatting, we have changed the font size to 18 points, and we have changed the font color to black text 1. So that is all about step number 3, where we were supposed to do some modification. Okay, so we are done with step number 3 of the assignment, and now we're gonna do next step of the assignment, that is step number 4. And step number 4 of the assignment is saying percentage and category data label will provide identification information for the pie chart. Add data labels in the inside and position, select the category name and percentage labels, remove value data labels and the legend. Apply 14-point font size and black text 1 font color to the data labels. So in step number 4, we are supposed to apply data labels to this pie chart. And we will make sure that the position for the data label should be inside and we are supposed to include category name and the percentage in the label, and we are supposed to remove the values from the label. Then we are supposed to change the font size for the labels to 14 points, and we will apply black text font color to the label. So simply go to the workbook, select pie chart, just go to the chart element by clicking this symbol, and from here click this arrow, data labels, click more options, okay. So now we are supposed to include category name, but we are supposed to add the percentages, and we are supposed to remove the values. So I will check the box for the category name, I will check the box for the percentage, and I will uncheck the box for the values, okay. Then we are supposed to use the position that should be inside and, so I will select inside and from here, okay. Then we have added the data labels. Now select the data labels. We are supposed to change the font size to 14 points. Go to home tab and change the font size to 14 points. Go to font color and apply black text font color. So now you can see that we have added data labels to this pie chart, okay, inside and these data labels include the category name like other genre, okay, action and adventure, these are the category names, and then the percentages, okay, and we have removed the values. So that is all about step number 4, where we are supposed to include the data labels, okay. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 5. Okay, step number 5 of the assignment is saying you want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. So now we are supposed to explode the comedy slice because we are supposed to focus on the comedy slice. So we will explode the comedy slice by 7%, and then we are supposed to change the fill color to dark red, okay. So now let's go to the workbook again. Here is the comedy slice. So once you will click, all the slices will be selected Once you will again click on the comedy slice, then only comedy slice will be selected. So select this, right click on that and click format data point. So here you can see explosion. So we are supposed to explode the slice by 7%. So we will remove the 0 and type 7 and press enter. So now you can see that comedy slice is exploded by 7% because we are supposed to explode the comedy slice by 7%. Okay. Then we will go to fill color here, fill and line, click here, go to fill and change the fill color to dark red, this one. So now you can see that we have changed the fill color of the comedy slice by dark red, okay, and we have exploded the comedy slice by 7%, okay. So that is all about step number 5. So we are done with step number 5 of the assignment as well, and now we're gonna do next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 of the assignment is saying a best practice is to include alt text for the accessibility compliance. Add alt text, the pie chart shows percentage of downloads by January for April 2024, including the period. So this is the text that we are supposed to add as alt text into the pie chart. So instead of typing this alt text there into the pie chart, I will simply copy this text. Starting from here, the pie chart shows percentage of download by January for April 2024 and include the period as well. So select this and copy, Control C. Then go to the workbook, right click here and click View Alt Text, this option. Okay, click that one and paste the alt text here. So after pasting the alt text here, you will click on the Save button here. Okay, after pasting the alt text here, or you can type the alt text here, then click this Save button. So then this alt text will be added to this pie chart. Okay, then close this alt text pane, and that is all about step number 6, which is about adding the alt text to the pie chart. Okay, now let's do next step of the assignment, that is step number 7. And step number 7 of the assignment is saying next you want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and percentages by category. Display the data sheet, select the ranges A4 up to A10 and F4 up to G10, and that create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So now in step number 7, we are supposed to create a combo chart, line on secondary axis. Okay, that is the clustered column, but line on the secondary axis, this is the combination of two charts, column and line chart. So that will be called a combo chart. So now go to the worksheet and go to data sheet, and we are supposed to select two ranges. First one is A4 up to A10. So we will select A4 up to A10. So we have selected that range. Now second range is F4 up to G10. So to select the second range, press and hold the control button and select F4 up to G10. Okay, so we have selected these two ranges. Then click on the Insert tab and go to combo chart here. So we are supposed to select clustered column, line on the secondary axis. This is the second option. This is the chart that we are supposed to use. Clustered column, line on the secondary axis. This is the combo chart that we are supposed to use. So we will select this option. Okay, so we have inserted that clustered column, line on the secondary axis. You can see the columns and the line on the secondary axis. Okay, then it is saying, okay, that is all about step number 7, where we were supposed to insert this clustered column, line on secondary axis. So now let's do step number 9. You want to position the chart below the data source. Cut and paste the chart into cell A13. Then we are supposed to change the height and width. Height should be 3.5 and width should be 6. So right click on the chart and click cut. Click in cell A13 and click paste. Okay, now we are supposed to change the height and width. Height should be 3.5 and width should be 6. So select the chart again, go to format tab, and height should be 3.5, type 3.5 and press enter. Okay, and width should be 6, type 6 and press enter. So we have changed the height and width for this clustered column combo chart. Okay, and that is all about step number 8. So now let's do step number 9. Change the combo chart title to April 2024 downloads. Apply black text font color to the title. Okay, so we are supposed to give a title to this combo chart. So I will simply copy this title from here. Just select the title, go to formula bar and paste the title here. After pasting the title, just press enter. So now you can see that we have given a title to this combo chart. Okay, now it is saying apply black text font color. So select the title again, go to home tab, go to font color and apply black text font color. So we have given a title to this combo chart and then we have changed the font color for the title. Okay, so that is all about step number 9. Okay, so in this video I have solved 9 steps for you. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please reach me out through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses, and I will make sure that you get A grade in your courses. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another powerful solution. Thank you so much again.